Is Kamalika returning back to KZK? Parth will answer this question. बताएंगी तो नहीं आप कि आप नागिनपुर में हैं। अब जब आपने खुद ही जवाब दे दिया है तो मुझे आगे बोलने की कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं है. I know you guys miss me in Kasauti. I miss the team terribly. I mean, I just can't explain it to you guys how much I miss them. Erika, Parth, that idiot Sahil, Pooja, Muzu, everyone else. I know you guys miss Kamalika a lot. मेरी music video अभी तक आ चुकी होती because I am not available. I'm not in Mumbai. That is the reason. I will be immediately I'll start shooting for Vikram Bhatt's project. I'm not doing Nudge, and I would really love to do it, especially for Ro. But we are really short of time, so I cannot do Nudge as well. But yeah, I know who all are doing Nudge. Parth, miss you. A big hug. Hey. Hey Nitish, hi. Is anybody up for live this all of a sudden? Me coming live. Hi Rafat. Hi Mamta. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining in so quickly, man. I just touched the button and you guys are live. You guys are live with me. I'm on. Parth, miss you. A big hug. तुम तो पूजा को बोल रहे थे तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं है. तुम कैसे देखोगे उसका SBS और SBB का इंटरव्यू? You're shooting and now you're watching my live. Hi Chirag. Hi guys, you guys have like exactly 15 minutes if you guys want to ask me something. I know it's been like, I think more than 2 months. Yes, it's been more than 2 months. I'm in Bhutan. You know, I typed a comment, but then I was like, forget it. I was writing, yeah, even I went to Somalia to watch Does It Come in Somalia? But then I was like, forget it. You two are already taking her case. Poor Pooja. Love you, Pooja. Gande bacche dono, Sahil and Parth. Is Kamalika returning back to KZK? Parth will answer this question. Since we had a chat yesterday, so he knows the answer. है ना बात? Quick guys. Yes, I know everything. I am this, I am that. Other than that, if there's any question, you guys keep telling me to come live. After 2 months I've come live, so I want questions. Throw your questions so I can answer. I don't have much time, guys. Thank you very much, Anushka. Hello. So can I just say it once for all? Hello, everyone. As I said, Parth is going to answer this question. Ask Parth. He knows it. We had a discussion yesterday. Where are my gym clothes? Arya! Oh, my cutie. You'll get them. Let me just take a trip somewhere in Europe soon. I'm gonna buy you new ones. Why do you want my used ones? And I'm gonna buy you the best ones, if you know what I mean. मेरी म्यूजिक वीडियो कब आ रही है? मेरी म्यूजिक वीडियो अभी तक आ चुकी होती because I am not available. I'm not in Mumbai. That is the reason they are not able to release it. So let me just get back to Mumbai. I think by 1st August I'll be back in Mumbai, and then I think in next week or 10 days it'll be out. We have to do a proper press con, a proper release, and for that I have to be available to them, and I'm not available. So yeah, that's the reason of the delay, and I'm really sorry about it. Ministry of Crab is missing you. Ooh, I was talking about it to someone yesterday only. I'm really missing crab. I want to eat crab. Let's go when I come back. We have to go for swim. We have to go to Ministry of Crabs. I have to do so many things, but I don't think I'll have much time. But I'm glad that I'm not going out anywhere anymore. I'm in Mumbai only, so I can at least meet my friends, all of them. I am really missing them. We can go out for swim. Hai na, Arya? And I will be immediately I'll start shooting for Vikram Bhatt's project. I think in the second week of August. So I hardly have time. So yes. Skin care routine, please. बहुत सारा पानी पीजिए और स्किन केयर रूटीन के लिए I can definitely share with you guys, but unfortunately I'm short of time, and that is the reason मैं आप लोगों से ज़्यादा communicate नहीं कर पाती हूँ. You guys know I've come live after almost 2 months. I was out in Europe for a month, then I'm here now. It's almost been a month. I'm here for another 10-15 days. So I don't have time, guys. But I think all I can say is you got to drink a lot of water, and I've been always mentioning this, that please see a good dermatologist, because I am nobody to tell you what product to use and what not, because it's not necessary what I use will suit your skin. So please see a good dermat. Oh, okay. And yeah, a lot of you have been asking me about Nut. No, I am not doing Nut. We are not doing Nut. We are very occupied and busy. I was, I think offered is a very small word. I have apologized so many times to them. They really wanted me on board, but I really am short of time. So you guys can imagine I'm not doing Nudge, and I would really love to do it, especially for Raw, but we are really short of time, so I cannot do Nudge as well. So yes, sorry. Next time, maybe. But yeah, I know who all are doing that. Because Hina and Hina's team, Hina Lad's team is managing all the talents, and they have the list of all actors doing that. But I'm not going to share it with you. Dark circles के secret बताइए. I think dark circle cream लगाइए रात को सोने से पहले. Hina Di, 2 lines please in your melodious way. I think I uploaded a song after a year on my YouTube channel, and thank you for 50k subscribers. I know I've not been active. After a year, I uploaded a song on my YouTube channel. I'm trying, guys. I might maybe upload another song. See if I have a little more late call time today. I might do it today. I am just in the middle of something right now. But I'll try. But on my YouTube channel. So just wait for that. I'm going to do it on my YouTube channel. Okay, anything else? When is Lines releasing? Waiting to watch it. Baby soon. It's gonna go to festivals first. We kind of want some come on, babe. I'm talking to you on a lie. I can call you. Nonetheless, okay, you asked me this question here on this platform, so let me answer here so that everybody else also gets to know. Although I've mentioned it in my Twitter chat that it's gonna go in festivals first so that it gets international recognition, and then we're gonna release it here. Thank you. Love to you. और बताइए अगर आप और कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं. I've been shooting for this new project of mine. This is an international project, and it's kind of different, very different from the usual stuff we keep doing. And my outfits, my costumes, everything is very, very different. I'm definitely going to share the first look very soon with you guys. Didu called me so much to catch up on. Yes, Arya, we're definitely going to speak soon. I am always in bad network here. Most of the times I have no network. I am not active anywhere because wherever I shoot, I'm in the hotel right now, so I have a little network. Otherwise, most of the times I am out of network, no network at all. My number from Mumbai is dead. It doesn't work at all. So yes, all that has been happening, and that is why I cannot upload stories. I can't do anything. But yeah, as I said, that I'm going to share my first look with you guys. So it's different. It's very different. And I'm loving it. My favorite song right now, I think last I heard was तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम. उसके बाद से मैंने गाने सुने ही नहीं हैं. I've been just away from music because I don't have time. I don't get time to listen to music. So yes, that was the last song I heard. I have not been hearing music of late. Can you doing any web series with Alt Balaji? Yes, inshallah soon. Why not? I would love to. But other than Alt, any day, it's like my family now. But other than that, I might do another web once I finish this shoot. Then I'll finish the Vikram Bhatt's film. And then after that, I might do a web. The talks are on. Your look is too hot and sorry. Thank you very much. What's your name? Rajput. Love Rajput. Next Hindi serial on my list. Well, not really. I don't know. Haven't thought of it. हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. फिलहाल I'm too occupied. What's your reaction to Kabir Singh? I haven't seen the film. Of late, I have not seen any film. As I again said, I am busy, too occupied. So I'm going to catch all the movies I missed watching in the theatre. I'm going to watch them on Netflix or Amazon soon. Hindi. Sorry, I missed it. Sorry. बताएंगी तो नहीं आप नागिन मोड में हैं. अब जब आपने खुद ही जवाब दे दिया है तो मुझे आगे बोलने की कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं है ना. Pimple problem. Dermat is the solution. I also have one. See, my skin is not flawless, as I said. My skin is exactly like you guys. I've got one here, I've got one here. So it's normal. It's okay. Drink a lot of water, take care of your skin, see a good dermat. I keep on repeating it. I'm good. Hina, old age filter mode, which is trending. Is there some filter on old age? Sorry guys, I have no idea what is happening around. कहाँ है ये filter? Nowadays, what am I doing? I'm chilling. I'm chilling in Reem Samir 8. Hey Hina V. Hi sweetheart. How are you? So what do I call you? Do I call you Chicky or do I call you Reem? So this girl is a very good actor. I worked with her. She's still small, but she was tiny, I would say, rather, at that particular time when I was doing my first show. And she was introduced in the show. And I remember my first scene with her was somewhere in Film City on some road we were shooting, and I kind of saved her or did something. I really don't know. There was some sequence happening and she was fab. Whatever you want to call me, yes. For me, you're Chiku. But she's a very, very good actor. Very good actor, very dedicated. And I'm so proud of you. Hi. Ma'am, I'm your biggest fan. Shubham, biggest fan. Thank you. स्किन थेरेपिस्ट बना दिया सबने, बताइए भाई. You're right. मैं बार बार एक ही चीज बोले जा रही हूँ कि मैं भी बिल्कुल आप ही की तरह हूँ. मेरी स्किन भी आप ही की तरह. Let me give you a closer look of my skin. My skin is just like you guys. I have a pimple here, I have a pimple here. There's no rocket science, guys. आप लोगों को पता नहीं क्यों लगता है, oh my god, क्या लगाते हैं, क्या खाते हैं. कुछ नहीं है, नॉर्मल है. मैं भी डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाती हूँ और वो जो बोलते हैं उसको फॉलो करती हूँ. मैं स्किन थेरेपिस्ट नहीं हूँ. Well, today is Muzu's birthday. I'd like to talk about him a bit. I think जितना भी बात करूं उनके बारे में कम है. He is. I spoke to him today morning. He's off till the Lonavala, and I'm so glad he's taking a break because he works really, really hard. One of the best directors I've worked with. What a fab guy he is. What a fab person he is. I've learned so much from him. And moreover, as I mentioned that, of course, he's a good director. And the amount of respect I have for him is not only because he's a good technician or he's a good director. For the person he is, the way he treats people on set, I have seen it. Like, कभी भी कोई नया एक्टर आए या कोई डायलॉग डिलीवर नहीं कर पा रहा, he would never say, you're not able to do it. One more time, he would never say that. He would always say, बहुत अच्छा था, एक और करते हैं. Always. So, हर किसी को रिस्पेक्ट देना, चाहे वो, I don't really believe in this, people say बड़ा एक्टर, छोटा एक्टर. An actor is an actor. But if I may put it this way, when a newcomer is introduced in a TV show or on any platform and that certain person doesn't have experience, some people kind of lose it, and kind of start yelling at the actor. But this man has got so much patience, and the way he treats everybody, lots of love and a lot to learn from you. प्लीज मैम एक सॉन्ग सुनाइए. सॉन्ग मैं आपको सुनाऊंगी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे, मे बी टुडे और टुमारो व्हेनेवर आई हैव टाइम. निधि उत्तम, हाय बेबी. आई एम गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑनलाइन राइट नाउ. दैट्स क्वाइट नाइस. हाउ आर यू स्वीटहार्ट? हाउज मोहित? हाउज लाइफ? व्हाट्स हैपनिंग? Today is my birthday. Please wish me. Yashu, happy birthday to you. Bey kya chakkaran. Okay. I'm so sorry, I missed your name. Muqaddas or something it was? So, okay. Because bhi to aise live chat kara. Please nikah bol do. I know you guys miss Komolika a lot. It's like a compliment to me. I know I've put in a lot of hard work. Komolika is very close to my heart. Very, very close to my heart. Sometimes, now when I look back, या कभी आप लोग कुछ Instagram पे upload करते हैं और मुझे मेरे scenes देखने का मौका मिलता है. So I'm like, oh my god, those were the days. I used to dress up, so much makeup on, different hairstyles, and the way Komolika used to talk, walk, her nakhras. It's been an amazing and incredible journey, and I'm so proud of it. Never expected that you guys will love me as Komolika to this extent. Please, Nika, say my name. My name is not Nika. First of all, you say my name properly. You call out my name properly. My name is Hina, not Nika. But I like that. Hello. What about your hair, Raz? My hair? You really think my hair is in a good condition? You better come here and have a closer look at my hair. Koi raz nahi hai. Perhaps whoever has asked me this question, your hair is much better than mine. My hair is all dry and I really need a treatment once I go back to Bombay. पता नहीं कैमरा पे क्या दिखता है आप लोगों को? मैंने बोला मैं बिल्कुल आप जैसी हूँ. मुझे भी दही अंडा लगाने की जरूरत पड़ती है. मुझे भी ट्रीटमेंट्स की जरूरत पड़ती है. कोई राज नहीं है. I'm just like you guys. Hey Sandeep, hi. I think that's it. आप लोग मुझे डीएम में इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं. Hina keeps on telling me someone has asked you this, someone has asked you that. Most of the times I am not active on Instagram, and if there is a comment or a DM or anything else, Hina keeps updating me since she keeps a closer eye on everything, whatever is happening around on my Instagram, my Twitter. Sometimes she responds, sometimes she asks me to respond in whatever way I want to. So she keeps telling me about a lot of questions you people ask, but अभी आप लोग ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस पूछ नहीं रहे हैं. Apparently, I know this is my problem. I never tell you guys that I'm going to come live. I never give you a certain time. I'm really, really sorry about that. But that is because I am short of time. Whenever I get a little time and I manage and I come live for you guys. I don't know when I'm going to come live again. Maybe soon. Maybe again after 2 months. When will you be marrying? Another 2-3 years. Do you like Sonam Kapoor? She's a fashionista. Of course she is. I love her style. What's your plan today? So after I'm done with this live chat, I'm going to take a quick shower. I'm going to have my lunch and then I'm going to rush for shoot. Do you stalk your fan clubs? Sorry, I missed it. Do you stalk your fan clubs on Twitter? I follow one, I think. It's called Hinaholics, I think. I don't have to stalk it because I do get updates, whatever they tweet. Other than that, I don't know. Sorry. What about nails? I like Komolika nails. Yeah, you would like Komolika nails. Even I miss my nails. No nail paint. Nothing. See. Because in this film, I can't do anything. I really want to get something amazing done on my nails. But I think I won't be able to because, again, I have to start my next film. You're looking awesome without makeup too. Thank you very much. I most times prefer to be without makeup because I let my skin breathe. That is one of the major reasons to keep your skin healthy. Let it breathe. Yeah. But I love makeup too. That's also a fact. And I'm missing it. It's been like one month. I am like... Sorry, I received a call. So yeah, it's been 1 month I have been off makeup. So... I'm kind of missing it now. In this film, I have no makeup. No makeup at all. Bare skin. आप मुझे बहुत पसंद हैं, प्रेरणा सेज. थैंक यू वेरी मच प्रेरणा. योर आईज हैव सो कुछ ब्यूटीफुल नहीं आपके जैसा है सब. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. I know you guys miss me in Kasauti. I miss the team terribly. I mean, I just can't explain it to you guys how much I miss them. Erika, Parth, that idiot Sahil, Pooja, Muzu, everyone else. Mohini, she'll kill me. I've called her Mohini. Everybody, all the technicians, all of them, the entire unit. I really, really miss them a lot. And it was such a immense joy I got when I met them. Like, I think 25 days back in Boom City, they were shooting some court sequence. I was so happy to see them. Okay guys, so it's a wrap. इंशाल्लाह कभी दोबारा लाइव आते हैं. तब तक के लिए आप लोग भी. अशनूर कौर, hi Dee, how are you? We all are just so proud of you. Keep going and let's catch up soon. So much love back to you. I keep watching your, I keep an eye on you, a closer eye on you. What are you doing? What are you up to? What are you wearing? And your stories. Nice. Good. Very good. You don't have to be proud of me. I'm super proud of you. आज मुझे कितने लोग ऑनलाइन मिले हैं from my team, from the people I know. That's brilliant. The first one was Mr. Samthan. He's got busy in Bhutan now, if you know what I mean. Okay, खैर कोई ना कोई लाइव आ रहा है और मेरे साथ चैट कर रहा है, so I have to go now guys. You guys take care of yourself and inshallah, hopefully I'll come live again very soon. पीसी से मिलकर कैसा लगा आपको? अच्छा. Oh, पीसी से I remember यार, I have this very funny video to share with you guys. In fact, एक बार I had put it out on my story as well, that I have a nice funny video, but I just forget. I'm going to do it right away. I'm going to post it right away. Otherwise, I'll again forget. I hope I remember to post it after this live video is done. I always forget. Okay then. Bye guys. Take care of yourselves. See you soon. Bye bye. Lots of love to you. Lots of love. I'm going to come, I'm going to be a little more active once I'm back in Bombay. Abhi filhal I'm in no network zone. Most of the times my phone is dead. So sorry about that. So yes, you take care. Bye.